Hi guys, just a quiet day today for me. I promised a trick and I deliver a trick lesson. Whatever. I'm going to teach you a trick. Now, it's a quiet day for me, Mummy and Daddy. Mummy's gone to the south of France with the Middletons. Daddy's gone hunting and my butler Terry is on holiday. And our cook Linda is also on holiday as she's married to our butler. So that's left me in our stately home all by myself, and I'm starting to, I do a little bit of cooking myself. Obviously Linda's very good at what she does, so anyway, I will teach you a trick as I promised. Right, so I have a pair of some bicycle steampunk. Are you feeling lucky, punk? Right, so you take your jokers, okay? Now what you want to do, okay, is, let's say you want to do it with the kings. I call it the kings of the king. I call this the Valley of the Kings. Okay, the Valley of the Kings is my little joke with my friends. they love it. They think it's very clever. I often talk about the Valley of the Kings. I love Egypt. I've been to Egypt many times, first class, of course. And yes, it's a beautiful place to go if you like pyramids. Anyway, so you take the four kings. You can use other cards, the aces, the jacks, whatever card you want. So you take the four kings, okay, for example. Place two kings, okay, at the top of the deck, and place two kings at the bottom of the deck, okay. Now what you do at the beginning of the trick is you say, what I'm going to do, okay, is make a prediction. So you say, okay, that's my prediction, okay. Leave that there, okay, to box, put a glass on it, whatever. It looks quite classy if you're in a restaurant. Just put a glass on it, you know, and that's where it'll stay. So then what you say to somebody, okay, you say this is for two people. You say to the first one, think of a number between 1 and say 21. Make sure it's an odd number. Don't go too much like 1 and 25, 1 and 29. 1 and 21 is fine. Between 1 and 21, okay? So they say, yes, I've got a number. So you say, okay, what I'll do is count them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They stop at 8. Fantastic. Take the joker, place it face up, and drop the cards on the top. You repeat. The other person thinks of a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They think of 7. They think of 8 as well. Fantastic. Okay. So you say to them, right, remember your numbers, 8 and 8, because later on we're going to need both of those numbers. Okay. So then you do is you spread the cards out. Okay, and you've come to the first joker. The card that is on top of the joker, kissing the joker, is the card that you take out. Okay, and you repeat that again here. Okay, so the card that's kissing this joker, you take that out as well. Keep these cards in order. Do not get these out of order. Place them down on the table, so because we're going to come back to those in a minute. Right, so you take your prediction. You go, look, I predicted a king. Okay, and then they go, okay, fine, and then you say, okay, look, you selected a number at random. Doesn't matter what number they pick, they're going to guarantee you're going to get a king, okay? 100%. So they can pick 10. You can ask them to change their mind if you want. Make it easy to change your mind. Add 5, take 2 back, whatever. You can say, think of a number, and at the time you count it down, say change your mind. And then you say another king, and of course, another king, right? So now you have 3 kings. But of course, we're missing a king. So if you kept these in order, okay, the number you were thinking of, okay, you ask someone to count that off. So say, for example, that would be 16, yeah? So you say, count 15 cards, the 16th card placed down here, okay, with these cards. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Remember, we wanted the 16th card, which is their 2 numbers combined. And there we have it, 4 kings of Egypt. Very simple trick, very effective. You can do it with all of the 4 different cards if you like to. You can even do a prediction with it if you want. So you could do it with, say, a 7 of hearts, a jack of diamonds, a king of hearts, spades, and a 3 of clubs, and you can write that on a piece of paper, and you can set that up already, and you can say, right, there's a prediction on a piece of paper, what's going to happen, and then you place your 1 prediction to the side underneath that piece of paper, whatever you want to do. But the 4 kings or the 4 aces or whatever, it's a fantastic piece of, it's a fantastic trick, and they'll love it. They'll love it.